All right, today Dad and I are delivering a very special window. It was one of the windows we got out of very early salvage job in Washington, Pennsylvania. We got to figure out which truck it's in. Probably in the Hino. But this is a giant stained glass window that we had rebuilt by Shelly Luttrell of Sayre Art. She's a stained glass expert, and we're delivering about an hour and a half north of here being Roanoke. Yo!
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Good.
We're going to go up to Pembroke, Virginia. It's up on the other side of Blacksburg in Giles County, and we're delivering a piece that we've had probably 15 years.
Washington, Pennsylvania.
Yeah,
right?
this is one of your first salvage jobs with Borzo, Robert, Jake. We still have this stuff. We have the big windows too on this thing, so I'm afraid they're going to convey with the building that we have. But they're really awesome. It's always nice to see these things go into where their second life will begin, and we get to deliver this one personally.
Flying white sides are hitting the road. Show hauler sighting. I know those guys.
Did you see that? That's Black Dog Salvage. That's the hauler, folks. That's what hauls us around our tools when we go to jobs with. It's where we have a air conditioner and a toilet, kind of the most important things when it comes to and a place to wash up. Kind of our home away from home when we're in the field.
Looks like we're here, huh?
I think so. This is right in the sticks out in Giles County. Beautiful out here. I wish it was a clear day, because I know this area is gorgeous. This is up near Mountain Lake. This is an orchard. It's,
Doe Creek Farm.
Doe Creek Farm. That's it. So I guess there's a creek. There's probably some deer, and probably an orchard. This is going to be a cool delivery, because seeing this piece of stained glass go to its forever home, or its new second chance home, is pretty important, because all this stuff has to find another place. Other than that, it's just a museum at Black Dog, and I want people to take what we do and use it, and that's our whole purpose. I mean, I'm not a collector, but if nobody buys it, I'm a hoarder. And I'm trying not to be a hoarder. There we go. That's the barn that's going in right there. Hey, it's a great day.
Well, we woke up this morning, so that makes it a great day.
It does make it good.
We're actually going to put it up on the other end of the building.
Okay.
Because of not the most conducive weather today.
Is this a new barn?
No, this is probably 100-year-old. Yeah, we're going up there with it.
Okay.
So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to put it in my man basket.
Right.
And strap my guys in. And
Right. All right, but you're not going to do that today?
No.
Okay, so is it going, where's it going?
No, actually I'm probably going to put it in those roll-up doors down there for today.
Just come on out and arch it out. There you go. All right, just pull out a little more because it's hitting up there.
Let's start to.
I need one of you guys down here. All right, just go in. We'll lay it down, then we'll set it up. Is that
Stand it
okay?
right straight up.
Yep.
Okay.
doesn't it?
Let y'all do it. I'm
You're
done. It's yours. Tag, you're it.
Oh
I love this part of my job.
I bet.
Here, it's when you're able to hand it over and you're no longer in the liability loop.
Feels good.
Georgia, listen, my responsibility for this window is over. 15 years of stewardship that I've had with this thing, and I'm glad it's come to your place. Tell us what drew you to it and kind of what you envisioned it being.
Well, it's the arch. I love arches.
Right.
The colors in it, the history of it, just the metal, the way it swirls. I just love that. And it's going to go into our restaurant called the Bad Apple. It's going to be a big focal point of that restaurant. So I'm really looking forward to getting this installed. And the restaurant will be opening, we're hoping by the end of October. We're really looking forward to the opening and to having people out and to enjoy this beautiful window.
Well, this is going to be a keystone piece for you, obviously, when you put something like this in a high place, just like a church.
Yep.
And feature it and give it love and backlight it, let the sun illuminate it. People are going to tell the story again. So you got to go see that window. The food's great, the atmosphere. I'm just glad it got to a good home, as you're always hoping for your children. You're always hoping that they go to a happy place, and I think it made it.
I think it did.
Yeah.
I really do.
Well, thank you for loving it. Thank you for buying it.
Yeah.
And I want to come back and see it.
Yes,
Okay.
you're going to have to, and we will certainly light it up for you, and it'll be beautiful.
Cool.
Just beautiful.
We're going to run on home then.
Okay.
All right.
Let's head back to Roanoke.
All right. I'm going to wait my apple and get on the road. See ya.